What's going on, traders? This is the official announcement for the Discord. I am finally opening up the Discord to the public. I know that I actually mentioned the Discord before in one of the live streams and wanted to sound the bells, but I want to go ahead and just make it officially official with this video. So the link for the Discord is in the description below. You can go ahead and scroll on down there and click that link if you want to join up and be part of the trade engineer community. In the Discord, we talk about the futures, of course. We talk about strategy building. We talk about options trading. We talk about, diamond hands or long-term investing. We talk about financial literacy. We talk about multiple streams of income. We talk about everything dealing with finances and trading and all of that stuff, or whatever else you want to talk about in the Discord that's dealing with whatever. We don't care. It's an open community. You can talk about what you want to talk about. Just keep it clean, be respectful, and all the good stuff, good social media etiquette, right? So I just want to go ahead and make that announcement, make it official. Also, if you would like to take your support to an elite level, I have also opened up the Patreon to the public. For patrons of MV3 Trader, I provide a ton of exclusive benefits just to show my appreciation for your support, and all the proceeds go right back into MV3 Trader to make it a better experience for you. Alright, so that's the official 100% official announcement for the Discord channel as well as the Patreon. If you're interested, the links for all of that is in the description below. Go ahead and jump on over, hurry up and get on over there. We're talking about a lot of good stuff, and I'll see you over there. Trade it easy. Deuces.